BHAG is a big, hairy, audacious goal. It's something that David brought the Kohler company, golly, I'd say 6 or 7 years ago. I've been with Kohler for 20 years, or going on 20 years, and the biggest issue that we've had as a company over the time that I've been here has been delivery and quality. And about 3 or 4 years ago, David put his foot down and said, that's it. We need to work on getting our product to the customers when they want it, in the condition that they ordered it, so that it can be installed properly. And until we get that fixed as a company, we're never going to be able to be an industry leader where we should be. So the big, hairy, audacious goal really was a challenge to the organization to fix those areas.
When we started in supply chain alignment, we really thought that the primary focus should be the reduction of inventory in the supply chain, and that's important. But over time, what we've heard from our customers is that it's all about lead times. It's about understanding what the actual lead time is. It's about shortening it once we understand it. And through that, what we add is reliability of the commitment promise through the entire supply chain. We add trust in the business relationship, and that is a significant factor in growing the business. And that's a benefit that is real in supply chain alignment and in the Kohler supply chain, and we are focused on it.
One of the things about supply chain alignment is that Kohler has provided an example for others in the industry. We use it as a best practice. The warranty services that are electronic, the advanced shipping notices that are electronic, all the interchange of information that goes back and forth with EDI and others go back and forth between the two companies has provided an example for us to use with other vendors to see if we can improve our logistics and our efficiencies.
It's primarily about the promise that Kohler company makes on lead times that we're focusing on. We want to be known as being an accurate supplier. We then want to be known as having the shortest lead times in the industry. But first and foremost, it's about being accurate as a supplier. But you have to take a lead time approach to it, and you have to take a very data-driven approach to it.
Over the last year in particular, we've been able to reduce our inventories of Kohler A and B items and therefore increase our turns, generate more cash for working capital. But the second, probably more important thing, is that the information that we get is accurate, and we have become a better partner for the consumer, for the builder, and the contractor in delivering materials as promised.
Lead times, by the way, are not industry-wide. They are customer-specific, and that's what's important. When we sit with the Supply New England and talk about supply chain alignment, we're not talking about the industry average lead time. We're talking about Supply New England's lead time.
Our customer today needs to understand that customer alignment is probably the most important initiative that we can put forth together between the two companies. If we're not properly managing their inventory, their supply chain, their fill rates, then we're not doing our job. And that's really what gets me excited about this customer alignment thing, is that our customers, where we're fully engaged with our customers, it's changing our relationship, it's changing the profitability between them and the Kohler company and the brands, and it's allowing them to better service their customers. And that's the thing that we've got to get to in this whole BHAG. It's customer alignment.